Hi dear students, greetings for the day, welcome to Classroom TV. So we have completed quadrilaterals, so let's move forward to learn a new chapter, that is area of parallelograms and triangles. Areas of parallelograms and triangles is our new chapter. So basically in quadrilaterals we understand the different types of quadrilaterals and the properties what the quadrilaterals they are holding. So let us extend our study to learn how to find the areas. Say suppose if the parallelograms are between the same parallels and are on the same base, and even a triangle and a parallelogram, both of them are on the same base and between the same parallels. So how we can get the areas? And we are also going to learn about some important axioms from this chapter. Let's begin the class. See here, you are seeing some figures here. If you can see this figure, so what is your observation? You are seeing two triangles here. So what are the two triangles you are seeing? Triangle ABC and triangle BPC. What do you have here? You are seeing the figures, triangle ABC, and you also have triangle BPC. Now these two triangles, what is your observation? Both of them, they are on the same base here. What that? Both of them, they are on the same base here. You see here, what is the base? This is the base. Clear? So triangle ABC and triangle BPC, both the triangles, they are on the same base. Okay, now we are trying to learn how will be the figures if they are on the same base. Look at here now. You are seeing a parallelogram ABCD there. What you are seeing here? You are seeing a parallelogram ABCD. And you are seeing a triangle ABP. Okay, here there is a parallelogram ABCD and you are also seeing a triangle ABP. Now both of them where they are? They are on the same base AB. You see here where they are on the same base AB here. Now you look at here, you are seeing two different parallelograms here. Okay, what you are seeing here, you are seeing two different parallelograms. What are the two parallelograms you are seeing here? One is a parallelogram ABCD and another one you are seeing a parallelogram ABPQ. Okay, so now these two parallelograms, where they are here? They are on the same base AB. Okay, even you can look at here. What you are seeing? You are seeing a trapezium and a parallelogram here. See what you are seeing here? You are seeing a trapezium as well as a parallelogram. So the parallelogram ABPQ and you are seeing a trapezium. What is the trapezium here? ABCD. Okay, you are seeing a parallelogram and as well as you are seeing a trapezium here. What is the base? They are on the same base. So like that, these figures, what you are seeing here, these are the figures, whether they may be a triangle or maybe a parallelogram or maybe a trapezium, whatever it is. We are just explaining here how will be the figures on the same base. Okay, that is a topic what we are doing, figures on the same base. It's clear? Now, let us see now. Now you see here, you are seeing the figures on the same base and between the same parallels here. What you are seeing here, you see what is your observation here? You are seeing the two triangles here. What you are seeing here? You are seeing two triangles. What are the two triangles you are seeing here? Triangle ABC. Okay, you are seeing triangle ABC. And one more, what you are seeing here? You are seeing a triangle BPC. Okay, triangle ABC and triangle BPC. Where they are? They are on the same base. What is the common base here? The base is common here. What is the common base here? BC is the common base. Okay, and can you say what are the two parallels here? So between the parallels, between the same parallels here, what are the two parallels? Can you say now? So BC and AP. Between the same parallels BC and AP here. Is it clear? So now let us say this is the common base for both the triangles. And what are the two parallels? See, this is one parallel and these two are parallel to each other. Correct? So now we are learning how will be the figures on the same base and between the parallels. How do they will be? See, look at here. These are the two triangles. Both the triangles are on the same base and both of them are between the parallels. You look at here. Can you say now what you are seeing here? So what you are seeing there, see we are seeing a parallelograms here. What are the two parallelograms you are seeing? Can you name it? What are the two parallelograms? One is a parallelogram ABCD. Okay. One of the parallelogram is ABCD and so this is ABCD, that is one parallelogram. What is the another parallelogram here? The another parallelogram is ABPQ. And parallelogram ABPQ, where they are? Both of them are on the same base. Or on the same base. I mean to say common base. They are on the same base. What is the base here? AB. The base is AB here. Both of them are on the same base. And they are between the parallels. And between the same parallels. So what are the same parallels here? AB and PD. They are between the same parallels AB and PD. Is it clear? So what you are seeing here, we are seeing two parallelograms here. What you are seeing here, we are seeing two parallelograms and these two parallelograms, they are on the same base. Where they are? They are on the same base AB and where they are? They are between the parallels AB and PC. Clear? So here this figure, the first one we discussed, two triangles are on the same base and between the parallels. Between the same parallels. Here both are parallelograms, they are on the same base and between the same parallels. Now can you look at here and see what you are seeing here? What do you have here? So you are seeing one triangle as well as one parallelogram. So what is the triangle you are seeing here? The triangle is ABP. Okay, what is the triangle here? The triangle is ABP here. You are seeing a triangle ABP here. And you are seeing ABCD parallelogram. and parallelogram ABCD. Okay, ABPD, and you can also say ABCD is a parallelogram. Of course, you can also name ABPD is also another parallelogram. Clear? Where they are? They are on the same base. They are on the same base. What is the base here? The common base is AB. And between the parallels, and between the same parallels, what are the two parallels you are seeing here? AB and PD. You can see AB and PD here. It's clear? So this is the common base here, and this is parallel. Of course, what else one more you are seeing here? See here, you are seeing this is one parallelogram. Okay, you are saying this is one parallelogram, and what can you say about this? What is this? What can you say? ABPD. That is also a parallelogram. ABPD is also a parallelogram. So this ABPD is one parallelogram. ABCD is one parallelogram. You are seeing ABP is a triangle. So they are all on the same base and between the same parallels. Clear? Now, so you can also write here, what you can mention here? You can mention that parallelogram ABPD is also there on the same base. It is also there on the same base, AB, and between the same parallels. Now you look at here what you are seeing there. See, you are finding two figures here. So this is A, this is B. So you are seeing ABCD. What is this? ABCD is one trapezium here. Trapezium ABCD, and what you can say about ABPQ? It is a parallelogram. And parallelogram ABPQ. Okay, you look at the diagram carefully. ABCD is one trapezium, and you have ABPQ is one parallelogram. So where they are on the same base. What is the common base here? AB is the common base. They are on the same base AB, and in between the parallels, can you say what are the parallels here? AB and PD. So and between the same parallels, in between the same parallels, AB and PD. Clear? They are in between the same parallels, AB and PD. Now let us draw the common base here. What is the common base? This is the common base here, and these two are parallel. Clear? AB and PD are parallel to each other, and ABCD is a trapezium, and ABPQ is a parallelogram. So what is our idea of explaining all these is that you should understand how will be the figures when they are on the same base and between the same parallels. Clear? So after looking into the picture, after looking into the figure, you should be able to say what type of quadrilaterals are present. Do we have a triangle or do we have something else, XYZ, whatever it is. So do they have a common base? Then you should identify where is that common base and what are the two parallels. You should understand between the two same parallels we are saying. It's clear because you have a very important topic, figures on the same base and between the parallels. Clear? Now let us move to the next here. Now you see there are some diagrams you are seeing here. Okay. Some figures are there on your screen. Now can you say what are the figures? They are on the same base and they are between the same parallels. Do they or do they not? If they are on the same base, then tell me on which base they are and on which two common parallels. If not, we will write they are not on the same base and not between the same parallels. Now look at the diagrams carefully here. So what we are saying here, we are seeing one triangle BCA. Okay, so this is triangle ABC. See, we have triangle ABC here. And you are seeing another triangle QBD. Triangle ABC and triangle QBD, do they are on the same base? Do they of them have a common base? No. Of course, D is a part of BC. BD is a part of BC, but BD is not exactly coinciding BC. Clear? So, are not on the same base. Are not on the same base. But you see here they are between the same parallels. Where they are? They are between the same parallels. You look at here. What these two are? These two are parallel to each other, but they are not on the same base. But you look at here, the triangle ABC, I am talking about this, and you look at the triangle BPC, where they are? They are on the same base. Okay, triangle ABC and triangle BPC, they are on the same base. But do they between the same parallels? No. Okay. So what we'll write here? Triangle ABC and triangle BPC are on the same base. They are on the same base BC, but not between the same parallels. But not between the same parallels. They are not between the same parallels. Is it clear? But here they are not on the same base, but between the same parallels. They are between the same parallels. Now you look at here. You see what you are seeing here? You have a triangle. You have a triangle AML. And you have a parallelogram ABCD. Do they are on the same base here? They are not on the same base, but they are between the same parallels. Clear? So triangle AML, and a parallelogram ABCD triangle AML and a parallelogram ABCD are not on the same base. They are not on the same base. Do they are on the same base here? No, they are not on the same base. Clear? But between the same parallels. Clear? So what are the two parallels here? See, this is one parallel and this is parallel. These two are parallel to each other. Clear? But they are not on the same base, remember here. And if you can see here, you are finding one parallelogram here. Okay, you are seeing one parallelogram. This is a parallelogram. So this parallelogram, and you see this parallelogram. What you can say about these two? What is your comment? Both of them are on the same base AB. But do they are between the parallels? They are not between the parallels. So, what we will write here? Parallelograms ABCD and ABQP. What is that ABQP? It is also a parallelogram. Or on the same base what is that common base? They are on the same base AB, but do they are between the same parallels? But not between the same parallels. But not between the they are not between the same parallels. Is it clear? Now look at the third diagram here. So tell me, what is your observation? You are seeing a parallelogram ABCD and there is another parallelogram ABFE and there is one more parallelogram FCDE. Three parallelograms you are seeing them. But in both the parallelograms, you look at here, parallelograms ABCD and ABFE parallelogram ABCD and parallelogram ABFE are on the same base AB. Okay, both of them, they are on the same base AB. Do they are between the same parallels? But not between the same parallels. They are not between the same parallels. Now you select which two parallelograms see here. This is one parallelogram. ABCD. And you have another parallelogram. See, this is one more parallelogram. Okay, you look at here, both these parallelograms, they are on the same base AB, but not between the same parallels. And what can you say about these two parallelograms? ABFE and EFCD. Do they are on the same base? No. Do they are between the same parallels? No. It's clear. Now, so just try to understand by seeing the figure which one is the common base and which two figures are between the same parallels. To make you understand, we are giving these many examples. Clear? Now let us see one more. Which of the following figures lie on the same base and between the same parallels? In such case, write the common base and two parallels. So you look at the diagram and identify first what are the figures in that diagram. See, you are seeing here, you are seeing one parallelogram as well as one triangle you are seeing here. Clear? So triangle ABC is one figure you are seeing. And what else you are seeing? You are seeing a parallelogram ABCD. Where they are? They are on the same base. Or on the common base. What is the common base? They are on the common base AB. Do they are between the same parallels? Yes. And between two parallels, between the same parallels AB and CD. Clear? Because AB and CD are the opposite sides of a parallelogram in this case. So the opposite sides of a parallelogram are parallel and equal. Clear? So now tell me here, this is the common base and these two are parallel to each other. It's clear? Let us see the next question now. Okay. You look at here, look the diagram what you are seeing here. What are the two figures you are seeing? So you are seeing ABDQ. It is a trapezium. Even if you can turn up the figure like this, okay, or you can turn up like this, no problem. If you turn the figure, this is AB. This is AD. And you have one more here. So look at here. So what you can say about ADQB? It is a trapezium. And you have, this is AP here. And this is ADCP. So you are seeing two trapeziums here. Okay, so both the trapeziums, both ADQB, or you can say ABQD, and another trapezium ABCD, APCD. Where they are? They are on the same base. What is the common base here? AD. AD is the common base, and between the same parallels, what are the two parallels here? AD and BQ. They are between the same parallels, AD and BQ. Clear? Now let us see here. This is AD. This is BQ. Both of them are parallels. Clear? So you should be able to identify, of course, in the given figure, these two. So you should be able to identify the common base and the same parallels. Let us see the next one now. Yes, you look at here, you are seeing ABCD is a parallelogram, and PRQ is a triangle. These two, do they are on the same base now? Look at the diagram and confirm yourself now. Do they are on the same base? So here what we'll write? So parallelogram ABCD and triangle PQR are not on the same base. They are not on the same base. But where? Do they between the same parallels? Yes. But they are between the same parallels Now what are the two parallels here? BC and AD. Of course, these two are the opposite sides of a parallelogram ABCD here. They are the opposite sides of a parallelogram ABCD. You know the opposite sides of a parallelogram ABCD, they are parallel to each other. Okay, so these two are the parallel lines. But they are not on the same base. Clear? Here, the triangle, this is the triangle what you are seeing here, it is not coinciding, the base of the triangle is not coinciding with the one of the side of a parallelogram. Clear? So we will say now, parallelogram and triangle, of course they are between the same parallels but not on the same base. Let us see the next one now. You look at here what you are seeing here. This is something identical to the first one what we have done. So PQRS is a parallelogram and QRI is a triangle here. So these two, you can take this I. So parallelogram PQRS and triangle QRI they are on the same base. What is the common base here? QR. They are on the same base QR and between the same parallels QR and PS. Of course, QR and PS, they are the opposite sides of a parallelogram. So in a parallelogram, the opposite sides are parallel and equal. What they are? The opposite sides are parallel and equal. So these two are the opposite sides. It's clear? And QR is the common base here. Understood? Let us see the next one now. You look at here, you are seeing a parallelogram PQRS. Okay. There is a parallelogram PQRS. And one more figure you are seeing. Can you guess what is the figure you are seeing? It is MNRS, that is a trapezium. So the parallelogram and trapezium, both of them are on the same base SR. They are on the same base SR. But do they are between the same parallels? They are not between the same parallels. See, look at here. This is one trapezium what you are seeing. Let's take another color. Any color you take. And here, what you are seeing, that is a parallelogram. Okay. Both these are on the same base SR. Both these are on the same base SR but not between the same parallels. That only we will write here. So what we will write here? Parallelogram PQRS. You can write here, no problem. Parallelogram PQRS and trapezium. What is a trapezium? MNRS are on the same base. They are on the same base SR. Okay, they are on the same base SR. But do they are on the same parallels? But they are not between the same parallels. They are not between the same parallels. It's clear? Understood now? So you are seeing a parallelogram as well as a trapezium. Both of them are on the same base, but they are not on the same parallels. Clear? So you should get an idea after looking into the diagrams, you should be able to say which of them are on the common base and in between the which two parallels. Let us see the next one here. You are seeing here, look at here. Can you say now what are the figures you are seeing here? Say, you are seeing one parallelogram PQRS. Okay. Okay, let us write what are the figures you are seeing first. We will write first. So you are seeing a parallelogram PQRS. We are seeing one parallelogram PQRS. Another one you are seeing AQRD. Parallelogram AQRD. Okay, AQRD. And one more you are seeing here, BQRC. Okay, what you are seeing here, BQRC. Anything else you can say? Of course, we have one more. Can you say what is that? It is a parallelogram PBCS. PBCS. Can you say any other than this? PQRS is first one, AQRD, BQRC, and what about AQRD? We are done, completed. So now, you see from these figures, of course, all these four are between the two parallels. No doubt in this. Okay, all they are. What may be the figures you are seeing here? They are between the two parallels. Because what are the two parallels you have? See, these two are the parallels what we have. Okay. So whether all these four, whatever you are seeing, they are on the same, between the same parallels. But can you say any two of them are on the same base here? Okay, so we will write here. What we will write here? All these are, all are between the same parallels. They are all between the same parallels. It's clear. Now any one of them, let's take, say suppose you take PQRS and AQRD. PQRS, AQRD. Okay, they are not on the same base. Anything, BQRC, AQRD. So you compare any two. So what we'll write here? All of them, they are not on the common base. All of them, they are not on the common base. Of course, they are between the same parallels. They are between the same parallels but not on the common base. It's clear? So, what we have learned today, we practiced by seeing the diagrams, how to say the common base and how to identify what are the two parallels in which the given figures lies. So, there is a lot to discuss in this chapter. Just you also randomly you draw some diagrams and try to pick out the common base and between the two common parallels. Just keep practicing. We'll see you in my next class. God bless you all. Stay tuned and do not forget to watch classroomtv.in.